Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to add a story in TikTok. So please watch the full video and also subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. First of all, when you open TikTok application in your mobile phone, then you should have to tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Once you tap on the plus icon, then you will see some options here like camera, story, templates. So you should have to tap on the story option. First the camera will be selected, so you should have to tap on the story. Then you can record it from here, from this button. When you long press or put your finger on this for some seconds, you can record, or you can simply upload it from your gallery with this option. So that is the method. Hope you will like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.